Honey, we can't invite people for Thanksgiving dinner and use these nasty dinnerware. We have to do better. Happy Thanksgiving. Fortunately, I received my Vancasso 16-piece dinnerware set just in time for Thanksgiving. So it looks like everything is properly wrapped up. Let's see what is inside this box. Oh, look at how beautiful these mugs are. I love that green. Kind of like a jade green, emerald green color. Perfect. Mugs too. And oh, these are the bowls. Wow. Look at the coloring of this. Truly beautiful work of art. What about in these two flat boxes? I'm pretty sure these are the plates. Ah, these are the salad plates. And these must be the dinner plates. I appreciate everything is wrapped up properly for protection. By the way, happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays for all of you celebrating it. So this is a 16-piece dinnerware set. This is the green color, but there are many beautiful earth tone colors to choose from. I just like green, and I really like that finish too. So all of your dinnerware are made with premium stoneware. You see, got the Vancasso Stoneware logo on the bottom of each. And these are all microwavable and dishwasher safe, all right? So you don't have to worry about that. That is the dinner plate, and this is the salad plate. And these are the bowls, big enough for soup and salad and cereal, of course. And for all of you coffee, tea drinkers out there, these are the mugs. Beautiful. Now we just have to wait for our guests so we can start our Thanksgiving dinner. Ah, this is a million times better. Herbal tea. Dinner's ready. Happy Thanksgiving. Let me do a little taste test before the guests arrive. Thank you, Lord, for blessing me with this delicious food and this beautiful dinnerware set. Oh, where should I start? Let's get some of this yu choy with oyster sauce. Wow, look how beautiful the bowl are. Holds just enough rice, or you can put soup in there. So good. Oh, what am I doing? I thought this was a food review. So if you are in the market for a beautiful set of dinnerware set that's contemporary and beautiful and affordable, definitely give the Vancasso brand a look and never be embarrassed to invite people over.